Okay, so happy Thursday. So we are going to do some hair maintenance. Yes, it was time to color my hair, you all. And I didn't feel like going out shopping. So what did I do? I got on Amazon and I got my hair products. Yes. So I use the Age Beautiful. Okay. Now I picked volume 30 because the darker you want your hair, the higher up you go in numbers. Now the highest is 40. So I had just a little bit of gray around and I wanted to make sure I get that jet black hair, because really my hair is jet black, but I sometimes get, a little gray around the edge. So yes, Age Beautiful, I ordered this off of Amazon. This is volume 30, and of course, well, y'all know I done squeezed it all out. Yeah, so Noir, Noir, jet black. Yeah, so we're gonna let this sit for a good, I'm gonna say 40 minutes, because I have thick hair and plus I have natural hair. So it's a difference between coloring natural hair and processed hair. Yeah, it is. So with natural hair, yeah, I have to let it stay on for another 10 minutes. So, and my hair is thick. I'm glad my hair is beginning to thicken, because it was getting a little thin. And one thing about me, I don't mind having that bush, that little afro on my scalp, when you have locks. Yeah, I don't need no slick locks. I don't need no slick scalp. So I'll probably retwist it next month. Yeah. I found a very good loctician, and so I'm going to let her do my retwist. Y'all, this is over 9 years locked. We made 9 years in September of this year. Yes, and so y'all know my hair is all the way down to my what? Butts. Now, but one thing, I only had to buy one bottle of the hair color, because all I have to do is dye the roots of the hair. Now, if I wanted to go, do my entire lock, how some people be having different color locks or different color hair, and they have to dye from the root all the way out. Oh my God. I can only imagine how many boxes of hair dye that is going to take. But yes, and I've been using this Age Beautiful for quite some time, for a good year. Yeah, I would say a good year. And I love it. And yes, it turns my hair jet black. Y'all can see it's nice and jet black. And y'all, be careful when you're dyeing your hair, because y'all know dye is a chemical, just like a relaxer is. So I only color my hair like every 6 weeks. This time I went 7 weeks. Yeah, 7 weeks, yeah. Because we was out today. Of course, we went to the gym. We went to the dog park. And I said, well, let me go ahead and finally do my hair. Do some hair maintenance. Because, y'all, that hair color been sitting here for a good 3, I guarantee you, 3 weeks. Just about 3 weeks. So I said, shoot, let me go ahead and do this. And yeah. So I use these bands, y'all, to put my hair up when I'm doing my hair, dyeing it. Yes. I love these. You can find these also on Amazon. And y'all, I have so many hair care videos, hair maintenance, and also I am going to drop the link in the description box for these products, and I am going to put them on my Amazon storefront, and I will be going live on Amazon one day next week. Yes, I am so excited, very happy to be an Amazon influencer, and I have so many things I have purchased from Amazon. I'm not going to show y'all everything right now because, see, y'all just have to wait on that content. Y'all have to wait on that content. Okay, so, and, yeah, y'all, this time, okay, I went on and got the black gloves. Black, yeah. Because, y'all, look, I had the pink ones, and not that it's a real big deal or anything, but, yeah. But I could still use them. But yeah, yes. And these are very durable. So you can also find these gloves for coloring your hair also on Amazon as well. So I'm going to let this stay on for another, until, what is it, 1 o'clock, at least 1:40, and then we will wash this out, and we're going to show y'all the results. I can see the results right now. It's nice and jet black. Now, one thing about hair dye, you know, sometimes when you dye your hair, you get some of the residue still be on your skin. The last time I dyed my hair, it wasn't so bad, so I was able to just wipe it off, get a warm washcloth and wipe it off. Sometimes you have to use a little chemical, like a little alcohol or some witch hazel or something like that. Yeah, but at least my hair is jet black, so I am not going to complain. Yeah, so yeah. Yeah, y'all. I had to use at least 2 of those bands to put my hair up. And I got to get me some more. Oh, you know what? I have been saying that I'm going to get a long cape for doing my hair because, you know, my locks is long. But then again, I don't need a long cape because I'm putting my hair up. So I don't need a long cape. And so I'm wearing one of my old towels. So if it gets dirty, and it will, because I'm sure some dye is going to get on it. Okay, so our hair is dyed. And so we will see what it looks like. This is the next morning, y'all. And it's about 5. Hey, boogie. You probably sleep. Y'all know I'm an early bird, so I'm gonna see. So I blow dried it, of course. I blow dried it yesterday. And I tied it up, of course, so we'll see how it looks. Okay. Y'all, one thing about locks, it is hard for them to dry. Now, if I had went out in the sun yesterday, okay, it turned out good. Jet black might be. If I had went out in the sun yesterday, my hair would be actually dry. But I just blow dried it. So yes, y'all, I'm gonna be. Oh yes, it turned out so good. So yeah, all the gray is gone. Now y'all see these edges around here? Y'all see those edges? That's when I have to get something like some alcohol, or I could probably take some toner, and go around those edges when you have the residue. But I don't mind the residue. At least my hair is jet black. I'd rather have some jet black hair than not. So we could deal with the residue. So it turned out good. It did what it was supposed to do. My hair is jet black. Okay. And I will have the link I'm going to put the link in the comment section, you know, for the products, for the dye and the developer, and the shampoo and the conditioner. Okay.